20. If 4 to the power of 8c equals 3, the third root of 4 to the power of 7, what is the value of c? Okay, we have exponents being compared to roots. The rule that you need to know for this, the one they're testing you on, is that if I had, let's say, if I use, so I had 3 to the power of 2/5. How does that convert to a root? It is going to be the 5th root of 3 squared. That's how it converts. This red. The number in the bottom, the denominator, becomes the root, and the number on top, the numerator, becomes the power under the radical. Always. This is just how it works. So let's see, it was 3 to the power of 1/2. That would be the square root of 3, because 3 to the power of 1, 3, same difference. And it doesn't matter what the fraction is. It could be something really complicated, like 3 to the power of 11/37 would be the 37th root of 11. So you can go back and forth. You can convert either way. Well, here, because I have this variable in the first one, but I have solid numbers in the root, I'm going to take that root and convert it into an exponent. So third root of 4 to the power of 7, if I flip that back, my root goes on the bottom, and then the power goes on top. So the third root of 4 to the power of 7 is the same as 4 to the power of 7/3. And I've been told over here that the third root of 4 to the power of 7 is the same as 4 to the power of 8c. So I'm going to substitute that in right here and say 4 to the power of 8c. So 4 to the power of 8c is 4 to the power of 7/3. Then 8c must be equal to 7/3. And now I can solve for c. C is being multiplied by 8, so I need to do the opposite of that. I need to divide by 8, which, because we're dealing with a fraction over here on the right, dividing by a whole number is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal of that number, the fraction. So dividing by 8 is the same as multiplying by 1/8. Multiplying by the reciprocal. Same difference. Because 1/8 times 8 is just 1, so 1c is on the left. And then here I can more easily multiply those together. 7 times 1 on top is 7. 3 times 8 on the bottom is 24. And that's my answer. C is 7/24. And when you're entering that, you can enter that as 7/24 or like that, because this is a student-produced response. Or you can enter it as a decimal. You can, put that in your calculator, divide it, and enter the decimal in as your answer. Both right. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.